Wanted to film today and take you guys through a little fall Sunday in my life, a little mini weekend morning routine, I guess. I'm gonna make a matcha right now. I'm making a snickerdoodle matcha. I showed you guys how to make this in my last video. I'm also gonna be posting a TikTok and Instagram video today on how to make this, which I've been so active on Instagram and TikTok lately. I'm so proud. I'm happy that I've been consistent, so I'd love to follow you. Follow me and we can be friends. Yeah, I don't know. The time that I wake up definitely varies. On the weekdays that I have to go into the office, I wake up around 6:30. At least that's what's been happening lately. And then on the weekends too, like I am getting up around that time. But if I've gone out the night before, I will definitely sleep in an extra couple hours. If I've had more than a couple drinks, even if I've just had like 1 or 2 drinks, I usually will still wake up around that time. But if I've had more than that, I usually am sleeping in a bit later. But the nights that I go out are really not too often these days, which I actually love. I've gotten up and gotten the day started. I'm a morning person, if you didn't get that already, and I love slow, early, quiet mornings. Just taking my time, doing my skincare, letting the puppy outside, reading my book, tidying up the apartment a little bit, whatever I want to do, really. And I just love it. I love being awake before like Brody's awake, while the puppy is still sleepy. Like I let him outside, but then he just goes right back into the bedroom and wants to sleep in the bed with Brody. He's so sleepy in the mornings, which is great. So it's just some nice me time, honestly. This is the perfect fall matcha. I have to really have some self-control and not just like chug this whole thing so fast. I'm heading to Pilates now. I love the weekends because I'm able to go to Pilates in the morning rather than in the evening. Also, Bogey loves ice, so if you hear him, that's what that sound is. He's crunching on some ice. My set is from Aerie. I really love it. I actually think I got this when I was a senior in college, so how long ago was that? 3 years? 2 years? I wish I had bought it in other colors or they would bring it back. I got my water. I'm gonna grab a Cliff Bar because I'm starting to get hungry, and then I'm gonna head there. What do you have, Naughty? You're naughty. What do you have? Okay, before we go, I'm gonna take a wellness shot. I've actually never taken one of these before. If I have, I don't remember. I'm actually scared. 1010% daily value of vitamin C. Acerola cherry juice. I have no idea how to say that word. Okay, let's try it. This one looked like the least intimidating. I have a turmeric one in the fridge that looks a little more intimidating. We're gonna ease into it. Ooh, ooh. Something in there that had a funky little taste. It literally says it's just cherry juice. Whatever that word is, that type of cherry, it says it's 100% that juice. Had a funky little taste. That's what I look like when I take shots at the bar. I literally like twitch. I'm like, ooh. All showered and clean. It's actually a hair wash day, but I'm gonna wait to wash my hair because I'm gonna shower again later after we take Bobby on a trail. But right now I'm gonna make some breakfast. It's actually more of like a brunch, I guess. But this is my favorite breakfast to make on the weekends, like as something special. Brody's usually the one who makes us breakfast, and he'll make like breakfast sandwiches, but I'm gonna make our special breakfast today, which is French toast and some bacon. Do you have anything to say? Part of our Sunday routine is taking Bogey on a nice long walk on a trail or something. We aim for like at least an hour or two, so Brody's actually grabbing us some Starbucks right now, and then we're gonna head out. Once we do that, I'm gonna come home, take a shower, wash my hair, and then I'm gonna do a little mini Sunday reset. Not a full balls to the wall Sunday reset, okay? For me, that's just not realistic to do every single Sunday. So this is one of those Sundays where, you know, we're gonna do a little mini Sunday reset, get ready for the week, but I'm not like deep cleaning the whole house. You know, we're gonna do a little tidy up, surface level clean, laundry, that kind of thing. actually the next day now. Brody and I had a super chill Sunday night. We actually ended up on Saturday night going on a little date night, and we had such delicious food and a ton of leftovers. I planned on cooking last night, but then we ended up having so much left over that that's what we had for dinner, which was fine by me, of course. It's always exciting when I don't have to cook. So we just had leftovers last night, super chill, lazy night, and we binged the Menendez brothers on Netflix, which, wow, it was such a crazy story. I've heard the story before, but I didn't know all the details. And I know it's just a show, so I did do like some research after and see like what was real and what wasn't. I watch a lot of true crime. I'm definitely one of those people. I'll watch YouTube true crime, Netflix documentaries, all that stuff for like a few months straight, and then I get really fatigued by it. I'm paranoid, I'm emotional, I'm upset at like the unfairness of life, and then I have to give myself like a 4-month break of seriously like not consuming anything, like no podcasts, no YouTube, no documentaries. I'm just not in the right headspace to consume it. And then after like those 4 months or so, I'm able to watch it again. And like, it's just a cycle. And this has been happening like forever. Like, I'm able to consume this kind of content, then I'm not, then I am, then I'm not. And we just go round and round. But let me tell you, after the Menendez brothers case, I need to take some time off. It's seriously just so upsetting. The abuse that those brothers endured is like beyond horrific. Like I said, I was doing some research after I watched, and there's been some updates in the case and like some new evidence that was found, so they're going to be trying to reopen the case, which I really hope they do. It's so sad. It's just a very, very crazy story. I'm sure a lot of you have watched it. There's also some controversy over it because, of course, like these documentaries and things go, they sometimes don't portray things properly or people, and so there's some weird stuff with that. But anyways, it's a super rainy day today. I never wear my glasses in my videos either. Do you recognize me? But I'm ready to cue up some more fall vibes. So I just got out of work. We're gonna go to TJ Maxx and Home Goods, and then we're gonna go home and make a delicious dinner, the perfect fall rainy night dinner, hot honey grilled cheeses and spicy tomato soup. I'm so excited. Slay. Back home now, I'm gonna show you some of the things that I got. I ended up not going to TJ Maxx because I spent $50 and I just knew if I went to TJ Maxx, I was gonna spend like another 100. It wasn't the vibe on this Monday, okay? And let's spread it out the fun. So maybe I'll go to TJ Maxx next weekend. Stay tuned. That sounds really good. Let's do that. Anyways, I don't know if you guys find this boring or not, so I'm gonna run through it super fast. These like gold chip clips. I got Bogey 2 dog toys. I already gave him this one. It's just a couple toys on a rope. He loves these. And then I got these. It's so hard to resist getting him dog toys because he loves them so much and they keep him busy. Next, I got this giant 1 candle. I thought this was so cute. Bogey's birthday is in November, and I'm gonna make him a doggy cake and we'll put this on it. Then I'm hosting a little like Halloween cocktail night for a couple of my friends, and I picked up just like some cute little plates, napkins, some sparkly black and white candlesticks, and that's everything. I'm gonna make a spicy tomato soup and thick grilled cheeses to go with it. I'm gonna use this bread. This is Wegmans garlic Tuscan bread. If you know, you know this bread is so good, and I got it unsliced so that I could make really thick slices for the grilled cheeses. This is all the ingredients for the soup. I've never made this soup before. We're gonna see how it goes. This is like no ingredients at all, which scares me because I want this to be really yummy, but it's so easy, so it's awesome. I'll let you know my thoughts.